How to redeem Nordstrom gift card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of redeeming your Nordstrom gift card. Make sure to stick around until the very end to fully grasp the tutorial, and if you're curious, you can visit the Nordstrom website by clicking on the link provided in the video description below. Otherwise, you can just simply go to nordstrom.com and you will land in this page right here. As you can observe, I am currently on the website and logged in with my account. Here, I have the option to purchase any item of my choice. For instance, I can select this particular item and proceed to choose the color and the size if available. Once that's done, I can add it to the cart or my bag. I'll click on Add to Bag option over here. After adding it to my bag, I can proceed directly to the checkout by clicking on the Checkout button over here. This will take me to the payment section where I will need to enter my email address, name, address details, and select the delivery method. Once that's sorted, I can move on to the payment process. As I have moved on to the payment process, now let's talk about redeeming your gift card. Here's how you can do it. On the right side, you'll notice a promo code button. Simply click on that button and enter your promo code or your gift card code and apply to avail of any discounts if applicable. And that's pretty much it. After redeeming your gift card, you can proceed to make the payment and purchase the product. That concludes the process of redeeming your Nordstrom gift card. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to see more, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you. See you in the next video.